As we all know, scales are a very important part of a violist's diet. We're required to play 3 octaves of the C major scale, which is our favorite, right? Because it starts on our big fat C string, which is why our instrument is so awesome. So I'm going to start with the C major scale. I'm just going to show you the fingering that I do, shifting up on the G string to start. To do 4 notes per bow at 60, I believe. You want to go for a nice even tone. You want to make sure that your rhythm is good and that your shifts are clean and that you play with good intonation. The key of G major, you're required to do 2 octaves, and I can make suggestion for 2 different fingerings for that. So that I shifted up on the from the F sharp to the G on the D string. Another way you can play that scale is, and if you want to do everything in one position, is to start in 3rd position. Okay, now we're going to go to F major. F major has 1 flat, B flat, right? And this, I would also recommend starting in 3rd position because then you don't have to shift, and it's very easy to get in tune, or it's easier, I should say, to get in tune. Okay, and then we have E flat major, which I like to start in 2nd position, but I'm going to give you the one that starts in 1st position, and then I'm going to also show you the one that starts in 2nd position. So this is the 1st position. We start 2nd finger on the C string. Absolutely fine. If you start with 1st finger on the E flat, you can also play that fingering, which doesn't require any shifts either. And the reason that I like to do that one is because when you do end up going into your 3 octave E flat major scale, you probably are going to want to start in that position because you're going to probably do a little turn to make everything even. So those are just some fingering suggestions for you, and I hope that you play beautifully and evenly and with all of your heart.